So super excited to announce the video intelligence feature for BGBlur.com. It's actually super simple. So if you're someone who monitors CCTV footage, this feature allows you to automatically do all of that. So it takes your video, draws intelligence bases that video, and then it allows you to chat with that video. On top of that, it also gives you a high level summary of the insights derived from the video itself. So I'm going to go ahead and try uploading the sample video here. And the minute you upload the video, you get some of the chart use cases. Let's say if you want to review the CCTV footage, you want to review the dashcam footage, you want to review the body cam footage, find objects in video, AI incident report, which is one of the good use cases here, privacy scan before sharing it with someone. So in case you want to make sure that there's no private information in the video, you can use that as well. And then custom analysis in case you want to do something more on the lines of custom. So let's just do privacy scan before sharing. And obviously, incident report is only useful in case some incident happened and you want to generate like a summary report basis that. So I'm going to go ahead and process the video. And the minute I upload the video, it starts a new chat here. And in this, it searches your video across the board for any specific information. In this case, privacy relevant information. So let's just wait for the video to run through. Take some time and I'll be back once this one's done. So the video is ready and you can see it's back right here. It's a playable video, so you can actually see the video itself, but you can still see that it's doing some privacy checks before it's ready for us to chat with. So the video is ready and there was no privacy related information in the video except for face, so it did not give me the analysis here. But you can ask follow-up questions, let's say on the lines of what is this video about? And using the embeddings and details it has about the video, it's going to generate something for you in here. So this is how the summary looks like. The footage appears to show an individual seated and discussing the presentation screen visible, and it gives us the timeline of what is happening across the board. And you can click on any of these timelines to actually play the video. Now this is a shorter video. For longer videos, let's say 1 hour, 2 hours, you can exactly get which timestamps are relevant based on the questions that you might have asked to the model itself. So again, something that we have in beta right now, it's not foolproof, but we are scaling and we should be able to get it to working very, very soon. If you have any feedback, please let us know. In case you guys have any questions, suggestions, feel free to reach out to us on YouTube or directly on the support channels. Thank you so much.